This is cassava leaf. You see, there are two varieties of cassava. You can see this one has, you can see this one, you can see the color of this is different from this one. This is red. You can see there are two different stem colors. This cassava leaf can be used for poultry feed. You want to drop your cost of your poultry feeding, you can use this cassava leaf to drop it. Many farmers harvest cassava, harvest the roots and leave the cassava leaf on their farm, and they dry off like that and they don't make use of it. So this cassava leaf can be used because it has a lot of minerals, vitamins and nutrients. It has up to 60% crude protein. In this particular video, I want to guide you on how to use cassava leaf meal to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. I will guide you on how to prepare it so that it will be safe for your poultry and livestock animals, and how you can now use it. I also develop a formula using cassava leaf meal for you so that you get the best use of this cassava leaf. It's a waste. Many farmers waste it in their farm and it dry off and nobody makes use of it. But as a good farmer, you want to conserve your feed and want to maximize your profit, you can make use of all this waste that people throw away, that some farmers throw away, and convert them into meaningful poultry and livestock feed to drop the feed cost of your poultry feeding and at the same time maximize your profit. That's all about this particular video. Let me give you the nutritional value of cassava leaf meal from beginning to the end. Then I'll give you develop a formula for you. Use this formula to prepare the cassava leaf meal for your poultry and livestock animals and drop your cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals. You can see these are all cassava. Harvest them and make use of the leaf. The root is what you make use of. This one is meant for your animals. Let's get it. This is, you can see this is bitter leaf. From here, you do the whole farm. This is organic farm. You want to get a very good poultry and livestock animals without spending much on synthetic. You make use of organic plants like bitter leaf, scent leaf. These are bitter leaf, these are scent leaf. There are a lot of plants that you can make use of to get the best without spending much on synthetic. Without even spending anything on synthetic, you can make use of all these bitter leaf, scent leaf and others. Many of them here. You can see this, see the scent leaf, see them here. See all of them here. See this. You can see this. This is hello. You are welcome. The special topic today. Are you a poultry farmer? Do you want to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals? This particular video is for you. Drop your poultry feed. Drop the cost. Cassava leaf. Cassava leaf meal is one of the most nutrient-dense leaf meals available for poultry and livestock. When processed correctly, usually dried and sometimes fermented to reduce cyanogenic compounds. Here is a detailed breakdown of the nutritional values based on average laboratory analysis from tropical studies. Do you want to make use of cassava meal to drop the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals? Watch this video till the end. In this particular video, I will give you all the nutritional value of cassava leaf meal. I will also give you very good standard feed formula for starter and finisher using cassava leaf meal. Then if you are interested in other feed formula using cassava leaf meal, drop it on the comment section. I will also, if I get the number of people that are interested, I will also formulate the feed for you also. Cassava leaf meal is a very powerful and free poultry feed meal, because after harvesting cassava in some communities or rural areas, discard these leaves and they waste away like that, just like that. Mostly during my early stage of my life, we go and harvest. We always harvest cassava stems and cassava roots. After harvesting the cassava roots, we don't have any value for the leaves. We drop them in the farm there and go home. Most bush animals eat some of these grasses like elephants, antelope and rest of them. Now in this video, you're going to know that this leaf is a very good product that can help you to drop the cost of feeding your livestock animals. Cassava leaf meal, when properly processed,
has 20 to 27% crude protein, very rich in essential amino acids like lysine, methionine, and tryptophans. Though methionine is relatively low compared to soybean meal, it has crude fiber 12 to 18%. It has high fiber, which can also limit use in logistic. If inclusion rate is very too high. Now look at this. It has crude fiber 12 to 18%. Elder ester, that is the fat, is 6 to 8%, which provides energy and essential fatty acids. It has ash, 6 to 10% of ash. It has nitrogen-free extract, 40 to 45%. That's energy from soluble carbohydrates. It has metabolizable energy for poultry, 1,800 to 2,100 calories per kilogram. Direct matter. Now, what are the amino acid profile of cassava leaf meal? One is lysine, 5.5 to 6.5. It has methionine, 1.2 to 1.5. It has threonine, 4.5 to 5.1. It has tryptophans, 1.0 to 1.2. It has leucine, 8.0 to 9.0. It has isoleucine, which is 4.5 to 5.0. It has a lot of vitamins like vitamin A and beta carotenes, 500 to 700 milligram per kilogram. It has vitamin C, 150 to 250 milligram per kilogram when the leaves are very fresh. And it has vitamin E, 25 to 40 milligram per kilogram. It has folate, that is vitamin B9, 4 to 6%, 6 milligram per kilogram. It has other vitamin Bs, other vitamins and vitamin B complex that in small amount like B1, B2, and B6. It has minerals like calcium, 1,500 to 2,500. It has phosphorus, 200 to 400. It has magnesium, 1,500 milligram to 2,000 milligram. It has iron, 150 to 200. It has magnesium, 40 to 60. It has zinc, 30 to 50. It has potassium, 8,000 to 10,000. It has sodium, less than 50, very low. It has anti-nutritional factors, cyanogenic glucoside. This is a very harmful chemical that can affect the life of your poultry birds if it's not prepared, if this particular leaf is not well prepared. That's 100 to 800 milligram HCN per kilogram. This particular this particular cyanogenic glucoside is a very strong acidic compound that can buy your chicken if they inject more of this into the system. It has tannins, 2 to 4%. It has foilettes, moderate in quantity. So for poultry, use 5 to 10% of this particular meal for their diet for broilers and layers when balanced with methionine and enzyme and other energy sources. In livestock like goat, sheep, cattle, pig, it can be used as high as 20 to 40% of this particular cassava leaf meal also. If you want a very good feed formula, now watch the video to the end so that I will give you the feed formula using cassava leaf meal that can help you to rear your poultry and livestock animals very fast and very quick. Do you want that? Let me know on the comment section. I'm going to give you starter and finisher feed formula using cassava leaf meal. 1, please take note. Starter feed, 1 to 4 weeks of age. This is broiler starters, 100 kg using cassava leaf meal. Get 45 kg of corn, either yellow or white corn, or you call it maize, 45 kg. Cassava leaf meal, please dry it properly and grind it into powder. Get 15 kg of it. Soybean meal, get 20 kg of it. Wheat bran, get 10 kg of wheat bran. Then fish meal, get 5 kg of fish meal. either local or imported fish meal. Please, if you are going for fish meal, always go for 72% crude protein fish meal. Then bone meal, get me 3 kg of bone meal. Then lysine 0.2 kg, maintain 0.1 kg. Then get me salt 0.3 kg and vitamin and mineral premix 1.4 kg. That is for your starter feed for your broilers. That is from day 1 till 4 weeks of age. Then from 4 weeks to 8 weeks of age of your broilers, that is finisher feed. Get maize or corn, 50 kg of maize or corn. Cassava leaf meal, get 10 kg of it for me. Then soybean meal, 15 kg. Then wheat offal or wheat bran, get 12 kg. Pancake cake, get 7 kg. Fish meal, get 3 kg. Then bone meal, get 2 kg. Then lysine, get 0.2. Maintain get 0.1. And salt, get 0.3. Then premix, 0.4. All this will give you a very good standard poultry feed for broiler starter and finisher using cassava leaf meal, fully fortified to grow your poultry birds within a short period of time. You can drop your comments if you want anything to be addressed. Do you want me to go further and give you more details on this particular cassava meal? Let me know on the comment section. And do you have cassava leaf meal in large quantity in your community, your environment? You can get it. Let me also know in your comment section so that I will gladly advise you the other way you can use it if you have them in large quantity. But remember that here in this feed, in this particular feed formula, we're only using 10 kg and 15 kg for starter and finisher. Let me all know and also guide you more. Thank you for watching this video. All our channel community members, I pray for you. It shall be well with you all. You all are the reason why I am still here teaching. If you want to join the community membership, please click join. Join them and encourage me to be here for you. I will always make more research to guide you more. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available, both Eco Bio Booster liquid and feed booster. Make your order today and get your own. Grow your broilers with ease, without any synthetic, without spending much. Only use the Eco Bio Booster and add to their water on daily basis. You're going to get amazing results. Very superb and heavyweight broilers within a short period of time. Next video, you're going to see the comparison of chickens, broiler chicken reared with Eco Bio Booster and synthetic. You're going to see the difference. This video is loading. Please make sure you watch that video so that you get the knowledge of how to make use of this Eco Bio Booster. If you have not seen our feed booster before, this is our feed booster. Use it with a commercial feed or any of the commercial feed at all. Mix this one sachet. This is 1 kg, 1000 gram. Mix it with 4 bags of feed. 4 to 6 bags of feed is okay. Just share this into 6. Use it and mix in your feed and serve to your poultry birds. Most especially during the brooding stage, it's going to give them superb breeding because they can convert the feed easily at that early stage and give you the maximum result you deserve as a poultry farmer. Let me stop this video here. Why the next video will be uploaded soon. Please subscribe to all our channels and make sure you share our videos, please. I beg you, share our videos. That's the only way you can encourage. You are not giving me money, you're not paying me salary, you're not giving anything, you're giving me no donation. Even birthday celebration, nobody gave me 10 cocoa. Nobody even bought any gift for me. Only God bless you, God bless you. God has been blessing me all this while. If God is not blessing me, you will not see me on screen here. If not the God's blessing, that's why you are seeing me on screen. Please, God has already blessed me. I need human blessing to add it to that God's blessing now. You're not blessing me financially, you're not blessing me. Only God bless you with mouth. Share the videos. That's the only way, so that let other poultry farmers get our videos, watch and grow their own business also. That way it also encourage me to continue giving out my lectures and making more research to grow your poultry and livestock animals. For now, till the next video is uploaded, I say bye.